If you love cooking, the right tools can make everything easier. In this video, I'll show you the top 10 best kitchen gadgets from Amazon that save time, effort, and space. From smart choppers to handy storage solutions, these picks are perfect for any kitchen. Watch till the end, let me know your favorite in the comments, and subscribe now for more amazing finds. This butter dish is designed to keep your butter fresh and secure, whether on the countertop or in the fridge. With a locking lid and built-in sealing ring, it prevents spills and keeps air out. The easy scoop ramps and measurement marks make spreading and portioning effortless. Non-slip pads keep it stable, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Available in multiple colors, it's a great addition to any kitchen. This smash burger press is perfect for creating flavorful, juicy burgers with a crispy sear. Made from durable stainless steel, it features a non-stick surface and a heat-resistant handle for safe and comfortable use. Ideal for grilling patties, bacon, sausages, and more, it works on grills, griddles, and frying pans. Easy to clean and built to last, it's a must-have for burger lovers. This versatile zester and grater is perfect for citrus, cheese, chocolate, and more. With ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, it effortlessly creates fine zest and garnishes. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while its slim design makes storage easy. Durable, non-slip, and dishwasher safe, it's a must-have for any kitchen. This 6-piece kitchen gadget set has everything you need for grating, peeling, cutting, and more. With a space-saving stackable design, it keeps your tools organized and easy to store. Made from durable stainless steel and ABS plastic, each piece is lightweight and comfortable to use. Perfect for any kitchen, it's also a great gift idea for cooking enthusiasts. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. This versatile funnel set makes transferring liquids and dry ingredients effortless. With multiple spout sizes and 2 strainers, it fits various bottles, jars, and pouches. Made from heat-resistant, food-grade plastic, it's durable and easy to use. The rotating screw design allows for quick adjustments, while the included brush ensures easy cleaning. Perfect for any kitchen and a great gift for cooking enthusiasts. This stainless steel canning funnel is perfect for filling wide and regular mouth mason jars with ease. Made from food-grade, rust-resistant stainless steel, it's durable and safe for liquids and dry ingredients. The wide mouth design helps prevent spills, making it ideal for transferring jam, spices, grains, and more. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it's a great addition to any kitchen and a thoughtful gift for cooking enthusiasts. This sleek electric kettle heats water quickly and features a built-in tea infuser for brewing loose-leaf or bagged tea. With a keep-warm function, auto shut-off, and boil-dry protection, it's designed for convenience and safety. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass with a cool touch handle, it's perfect for home, office, or dorm use. Easy to clean and compact for storage, it's a great addition to any kitchen. This stainless steel 4-slice toaster features dual independent controls, allowing you to toast different breads to different shades at the same time. With 6 browning levels and functions for bagels, defrosting, reheating, and canceling, it ensures the perfect toast every time. The 1.6-inch extra-wide slots accommodate a variety of breads, waffles, and pastries. Easy to clean with removable crumb trays and built-in cord storage, it's a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. This meat tenderizer features a balanced design that lets gravity do the work, reducing effort and time. Its double-sided mallet offers a smooth side for pounding and a textured side for tenderizing, ensuring juicy, flavorful cuts. Made from durable zinc alloy with a rubber comfort grip, it provides a secure hold for both left and right-handed users. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. It's also versatile. Great for crushing ice, cracking nuts, and even breaking up frozen veggies. This Belgian waffle maker delivers thick, fluffy waffles with a crisp exterior, thanks to its adjustable temperature control and 180-degree rotary design. The extra deep pockets create perfectly portioned waffles, or even waffled hash browns. With non-stick plates for easy cleanup, a cool touch handle for safety, and a secure buckle for even baking, it's designed for convenience. The 900-watt power ensures quick cooking, while 3 shade settings let you customize your waffle's texture. A great addition to any kitchen and a thoughtful gift option.